Hi, Katerina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use a pink teardrop sponge to apply foundation all over your face in just a few very easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by placing your sponge under water, lukewarm to cold water, just to make the sponge absorb all the water. It's going to make it bigger, it's going to make it more bouncy and softer as well. After you wring out your sponge to where it's just nice and damp, go ahead and start applying your foundation you normally would to your face. I'll do half of my face, that way you guys can see the difference. And then taking your pink teardrop sponge, using the bottom side first, just start using bouncing motions all over your face. The dampened sponge is going to help shear out any foundation, especially if it's maybe too thick, too full coverage, if you want to go for a lighter coverage that day. It's also going to make the foundation more buildable and really sink into your skin and not look cakey, because it's going to add a lot of hydration as well. You can then flip the sponge over and get areas such as right around your nose or maybe under your eyes, on your eyelids. The nice tapered point here makes it very easy to get in those hard to reach places. And here you can see the difference of one side has a very nice luminous finish with the dampened sponge as opposed to no foundation on. And I'll go ahead and finish up the rest really quick. There you have a very easy way to apply your foundation all over your face using the pink teardrop sponge.